Hey third graders, today we're going to be working on page 159 and 160, and we're going to be talking about homophones, which are words that are spelled differently but sound the same. So let's look at number 1. Which two words have the same vowel sound as air? Like the air we breathe, air. So I'm going to look at my list of basic words because those are the only ones. They're not going to use the review or the challenge. So let's read down our list. We're looking for that air sound. So hole, like a hole in the ground. Hole, like a whole pizza. It's, and then it's with an apostrophe, which stands for it is. Hear, like I can hear somebody talk. Here, like we are here. One, like I won the game. One, like I'm number one. Hour, like we went to our house. And then hour, like a time on the clock. Then we have their, which is we went to their house, which shows ownership. And then we have the other kind of there, which is what we walked over there. And then we have fur, like the fur on an animal, and fir, like a fir tree. So those are our choices. So which one of those had the air sound? Did you hear it as I was reading them? Okay. I see there and there. Okay, these two right here. So I'm going to go up. They have that air sound. It's spelled differently. And I'm going to neatly write my words on the two lines. Okay, so look for the sound that they're asking for. The next one is ear, like the ear on your head. So it has that ear sound. Okay, so look for that one. You will find it. And then when you get to the bottom, we are going to do the challenge. It says write 2 sentences, use 1 challenge word in each sentence. So I have peace, like there's peace in the world, and peace, like there's a piece of pizza or pie left. Okay, so I want a sentence with a capital letter and an ending mark, and then using one of those words in each sentence. All right, meet me on the next page when you are ready. All right, guys, here we are on page 160, which is our last literacy page today. We're going to be talking about, it's kind of a fun word to say, onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Mata. Guess it's hard to pronounce. Let's do it one more time. Onomatopoeia. Okay, so let's read what that fancy word is. Is the use of words whose sounds make you think of their meanings. They are sound effect noises or noise words such as boom, crack, or thud. Using onomatopoeia can add voice, life, and humor to your writing. It makes your writing more exciting, okay? And it makes people be able to try to understand what you're trying to say by using those words. It says, think about sounds you have heard on the way to school, inside or outside the classroom, or during a thunderstorm. Use the words below, write 5 sentences describing those sounds. All right, we have a lot of different choices in our box that we can use. Okay, so we've got bark, blare, boom, buzz, chirp, clang, clatter, click, crash, drip, giggle. We've also got growl, hiss, honk, meow, moan, ouch, plop, plunk, purr, rattle, and slap. And then we have squeak, squeal, squish, swoosh, wham, whiz. So lots of choices. You only need to pick 5. Okay, and of those 5 words, you are going to put them in a sentence. Okay, so let's do one together. Let's look at buzz. That looks like a good one to use. So we could say, And by the way, if you need to add ing or other things to the word, that is fine. Okay? Okay, so you could say buzzing. All right, but I'm going to try to just use the words that are here. Okay? So I'm going to start with buzz. I'm going to say buzz. And put an exclamation mark because oftentimes there is buzz. I heard the mosquito. Okay? So using it in a sentence. Could be a bumblebee too, right? Or a fly, right? So you can use it at the beginning like I did with an exclamation mark, or you can just use it in the sentence. Okay? I could say something like, thunder boomed and the tree crashed onto the car with a crack. So you're talking about maybe weather on some of these that you could use. I could say something like, wham, the car ran right into the curb. Okay, so you can use them at the beginning with an exclamation mark, like I said, okay, however you want to do it. So now I used buzz. I can choose 4 other ones for my sentence. I'm excited to read your sentences, and it's kind of nice because they give you 2 lines for each one. So if you need more room, you have it. So have fun with onomatopoeia. Thanks, guys.